Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about PayViewpoint.com. What it is a website that paid you for your own opinions. All you got to do is first watch the demonstration video on what it talks about. So show the video. The, all you got to do is create a list. It's like pretty much taking surveys. Surveys online. And then you just log in, watch the video, make a selection what they talk about. Um, yeah, based on and earnings, I already told you. Okay, you have a trusted score and comments about the video for earning. Each video is depends. Some more 50 cents to about a few dollars. Right? So always double check like, the video to which one expires. And, yeah. So anybody like so fill out an application and after your score is 3,700. Right, you choose your trust score, how much you want to rate it as. So relative cash for every pound. What do you think of that? Okay, first thing on the website is owned by Humongous Incorporated. Let me see this if the company exists on Who is is a website that tells you like search domains, see if it's 100% legit, if their website's up to date, and so forth. Okay, it says owned by one and one Ionis.se. So their expires on 9/21/2021. Last update was in March. Contact information. So it's traced them all the way back to New Jersey in the United States somewhere, and they have an email address. No phone number, no something, just to protect their identity. Okay. Okay. See on the reviews. See how they say. Okay. It's 4.5 stars. They said they're all the way in California. But their servers in New Jersey, so it's in the East Coast. Let's see how they pay you. PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, gift cards. What you do? Online survey, mobile surveys, daily survey, mobile app, refer a friend, team surveys, redeem rewards, no point, $15 minimum to cash out. Okay. And it takes about 72 hours. Okay, see what the hell it say about the company. Easy man, pay cash for every completed survey. Never screen out once you've been invited into a survey. Take burning out the survey experience. Respect privacy. Do not sell information to anyone. Okay. So sign up. They'll give you your first $1 for signing up. When you hit $15, you can cash out. Locate outside. You be paid to your PayPal account or issue an e-gift card. Okay. Get notification for surveys. They have a PayView Point app on Google. Let's see. Based on the information provided. Okay. They said if international users have difficulty find full pay. Surveys are not 3 cent trade survey doesn't mean that. So let's see. If you hit 9,000, the trade score you hit under 10% of members. You earn 20% on referrals. Okay. So they have a referral program. The more people you refer, you get commission off it. So about 20% for new referrals. For members, you can generate and build a club. 20% referred users' earnings when you have to complete survey. Credit to cash out the earnings to get you privilege. Active referrals have to be at least 30 days or more in order to get the referral. It's eligible worldwide. Okay, let's see the reviews. Is it good? Consistent payout takes a day or two. So it's pretty much 100% legit. So they do pay you. Let me see if there's any 1-star reviews. Of course they do, but it's maybe all the way in the back. So far, there's a lot. Most of the reviews are from the United States. So far they put the good reviews first. So it looks like 100% legit. The website's legit, no problem. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they can do pay viewpoint and get surveys and get paid every time you just do a survey. It ranges from like basically about 3 cents to about a few dollars depending on what type of survey. And you'll get $1 per sign up, so you need $15 to cash out, and you can get paid through PayPal, Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card. Pretty much simple. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.